Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Either good morning or good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video, which class you are. I want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video with me, your teacher, Mr. Wu. Today we'll be focusing on strip diagrams. A strip diagram is a picture model, and it helps us to solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division problems. Now, for today, since this is a bit of an introduction to strip diagrams, I want to focus on how we can use strip diagrams to solve addition questions. Okay, so if I have a question like this, 11 plus something equals 20. Okay, I'm looking for that missing number. 11 plus something equals 20. Okay, so if I drew this on a strip diagram, I would draw a little rectangle. This would be 11. Then I have another part over here. This would be a question mark because I don't know what that is. And the total would be 20. And what I mean by this is 11 plus something is going to be total to 20. My job is to find out what that something is. 11 plus another number is 20. How am I going to find that missing number? There's two ways you can do this. The first way, you can start from 11 and you can count on, which should be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. How many spaces forward did I move? I moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know that 12 plus 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. Now that's one way to do it. The easier way, I think, is to take 20 and subtract 11, which would also be, 20 minus 11, which would be 9. Okay? And you plug in 9 over here. Think about this in terms of blocks. I have 11 blocks, and I add 9 more blocks. Doesn't that give me a total of 20 blocks? Okay, so 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. That missing number I'm looking for, the missing number is 9. Okay, look at another question. What if I had 45 plus something equals 50? Okay, 45 plus something equals 50. Once again, let's use my strip diagram. Think this in terms of blocks. 45, right? I add some more. I don't know how much it is, but I know that the total is 50. 45 plus something is going to be equal to 50. Okay? So, once again, the easiest way to do this is to take 50, the total, minus 45, which is obviously 5, right? So 45 blocks plus 5 more blocks is going to be equal to 50. So 45 plus 5 equals 50. The missing number I'm looking for is 50. Do you see how using a strip diagram will help you kind of think through this? All right, let's do 2 more questions to make them a little bit harder now. I had 23 plus something equals 40. Okay, 23 plus something equals 40. Once again, draw it out. Here's 23, right? Plus something. I don't know what that something is, but I know this whole thing is supposed to be 40, right? Easiest way to solve this is to take 40 minus 23. Okay, 40, got the 40 because that's my total, minus 23. Can't do 0 minus 3. That's 3. Make this a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 17. So if I have 23 blocks, and then I add 17 more, doesn't that give me a total of 40? So 23 plus 17 is equal to 40. Okay, let's do one more. What if I have 45 plus something is equal to 60? Okay, once again, draw this out. 45 plus something. Okay, what's my total going to be? My total is going to be 60, right? So once again, I do 60 minus what? Minus 45. Can't do 0 minus 5. That's a 5. That's a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay? So 15. So 45 blocks plus another what? Another 15. So my missing number is 15. Okay? Plus 15 is equal to 60. So 45 plus 15 is equal to 60. Okay? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we use a strip diagram to kind of help us. As you can see, it's just kind of a model that you can draw to help us look for the missing number. It's just a way to organize our thoughts and so to make things less confusing. So what you guys are going to do now is you're going to get a sheet from the substitute, and you guys are supposed to answer these questions. And I want you guys to show your work. And what I mean by this, I want you, for every question, to draw out the strip diagram, to draw this out. For example, 23 plus something equals 40. To draw this out, there's 23 plus a missing number, and the total is 40. Do you see how I drew this out and I did my subtraction over here? This is what I want you to do for every question, okay? I want you to draw out the strip diagram to show your subtraction on the side and to write your final answer on the answer sheet, okay? I hope this makes sense. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys when I get back to school tomorrow. Goodbye and good luck.